It's 21st May. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page we have, nothing wrong in caste count, says Supreme Court, rejects plea against move. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have India-Italy seal defense pact, boost ties to special strategic partnership. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have police nab 89 in month-long crackdown on cybercrime. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Bengal government to detect, delete and deport illegal infiltrators, says Suvendu. Then we have JNK school renamed after pony ride operator who died saving tourists during the Pahalgam attack. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Kerala government cancels K-Rail project launched by LTF. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have Supreme Court extends date for Bangalore civic polls. Then we have elderly woman dies from amoebic infection. Moving forward, we have defeat of delimitation bill is South India's loss. Again, very important for governance and polity perspective. Moving forward, we have oral remarks and institutional limits. Again, very important. Then we have how states are managing the surging summer power demand. Then we have Naga body in Manipur petitions PM seeking release of 6 Naga captives. Then we have Marco Rubio to begin India visit on May 23rd. Discuss trade and energy. Again, important for international relations perspective. Then we have no double standards. We condemn all nations that violate international law. For international relations perspective, this news is good. Then we have Supreme Court flags a lack of uniform exercise laws across state for polity and governance perspective. This news is a must read. Then we have Australian LNG supplies to India with surge, says Green. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Putin Z hailed resilient relations in talks days after Trump's China visit. Then we have war would spread beyond West Asia, says Iran guards. Then we have Israel's Ben Gvir sparks row over due to bound activists. Lastly, we have Ebola risk high at regional and national levels, low worldwide. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.